We live in a world dictated by patterns. There are patterns of biology that dictate the naturally selected processes that create us. There are patterns of human behavior that help to outline fundamental personality types and traits that identify you as some Enneagram or Myers-Briggs type. Tessellation or tiling patterns exist as honeycombs or fish scales, while spiral patterns exist in flowers and shells, and fractal patterns are seen in tree-like structures like actual trees or blood vessels or the branches of the neurons within your brain or vegetables like broccoli. Human movement is no different, and we are governed by a brain that has ingrained within it a pattern for motor coordination. It has asymmetrical biases, with the left hemisphere of your brain governing motor control, which is why most humans are right side dominant. There is a pattern of cortical dominance, which leads to patterns of biases. The way we are wired to bias our right sides in more ways than one serves as the fundamental pattern that allows us to identify the patterns of movement dysfunction that then branch from there. If you can understand deeply the patterns that govern our movement, then you can fast track your ability to identify the problem and subsequently fix it. A mentor once asked me, what is the main difference between an expert and a novice? And he responded before waiting for my response. I didn't have one. He said, pattern recognition. How quickly someone can identify a pattern in movement, behavior, or whatever it is in less time or with less information. This is truly the mark of an expert. So if you want to become an expert in fixing mechanical pain, then you need to understand the patterns that govern those mechanics.